Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you love watching Twitch streams and want to enjoy them on your TV, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to cast Twitch to your TV using various devices like Chromecast, Fire Stick, and more. Let's get started. Segment 1. Why cast Twitch to TV? Twitch is great for gaming streams, live chats, and so much more, but watching it on a bigger screen can really level up your experience. Whether it's enjoying esports tournaments or just chilling with your favorite streamer, casting Twitch to your TV is super easy. Here's how to do it. Segment 2. Using Chromecast. First up, let's talk about Chromecast. If you have a Chromecast-enabled device or a Google TV, here's what you do. Open the Twitch app on your smartphone or tablet. Find the stream you want to watch. Tap the cast icon, a small rectangle with Wi-Fi waves. Select your Chromecast device from the list. Boom. Your stream is now on your TV. Easy, right? Remember, both your phone and Chromecast must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Segment 3. Using Smart TVs with built-in Twitch app. Next, if you own a Smart TV with a built-in Twitch app, you're in luck. This method is even simpler. Open the Twitch app on your TV. Log in with your Twitch account. Use your TV remote to navigate and select your favorite stream. And that's it, no casting required. If your TV doesn't have the Twitch app, don't worry, there are other ways. Segment 4. Using Amazon Fire Stick or Roku. Now, let's say you have a Fire Stick or Roku device. Here's how you can cast Twitch or use the native app. Fire Stick method. Install the Twitch app from the Amazon App Store. Launch the app and log in. Use your Fire Stick remote to select streams and start watching. Roku method. Add the Twitch channel via the Roku channel store. Open the channel and log in. Select your stream and enjoy. These devices make it super convenient to watch Twitch on your TV without needing your phone.
Segment 5. Screen mirroring for other devices. Finally, if none of these options work for you, you can always use screen mirroring from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Make sure your TV supports screen mirroring or has a device like Chromecast. On your smartphone, go to the screen mirroring or casting option in your settings. Select your TV from the list of devices. Open the Twitch app and start streaming. It'll mirror directly to your TV. Screen mirroring works great for those TVs or devices without native Twitch support. Conclusion. And there you have it. Whether you're using Chromecast, Fire Stick, a smart TV, or screen mirroring, you now know how to cast Twitch to your TV in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech tips and tricks.